Why do people get breast cancer? The emotional patterns that are associated with breast cancer are issues of nurturing, how you nurture yourself and how you nurture others. Most people who I worked with who got breast cancer, they had these issues of nurturing others more than they nurture themselves. It is like most women who I worked with breast cancer, they treated everybody as darling. You are darling, you are darling, but they are crying inside for self-love. So this crying inside for self-love is causing the cancer. And when we talk about genetic predisposition to breast cancer, we are talking about that mother passing this emotional pattern of nurturing to her daughters and so forth. So issues of nurturing need to be looked at and corrected to heal breast cancer.